Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time in Windows. First, open your computer settings by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. Then choose Time and Language and Date and Time. Make sure the Set Time Automatically option is turned on. This allows Windows to keep your clock accurate by syncing with online servers. Also, confirm your time zone is correctly selected from the available options. Sometimes you might need to set the time manually. To do this, first turn off the Set Time Automatically toggle. Then, click the Change button located under Set the Date and Time manually. A new window will appear where you can input the precise date and time. Remember to click Change again to save your adjustments before closing the window. It's crucial to have the correct time zone selected for accurate scheduling. You can set your time zone automatically or choose it manually from a list. Additionally, ensure the Adjust for Daylight Saving Time Automatically option is enabled if your region observes it. For those who interact across different regions, Windows also offers the convenience of adding extra clocks for other time zones. If your time still seems off, you can force a synchronization. In the Date and Time settings, look for an option to sync now under Additional Settings or Internet Time to update with a time server. If issues continue, check your internet connection, as a stable connection is vital for accurate syncing. You might also try restarting the Windows Time service through the Services application for a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.